Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about variables in Python. So, what is variable? A variable is used to hold data or information in our program. Okay? So, in Python, a variable can hold any type of value and you do not need to specify data type while creating a variable in Python. So, let us take one example. Say x is equal to 3. Okay? So x is our variable name and 3 is the value it is holding. Now print the x. Yeah, you can see the output. Now take one more variable y is equal to, yeah, this number, and let us add x and y. Yes, you can see the output. Now if in case you want to know the type of x and y, that means what type of data they are holding, then you can use type function. You can see the type of x is int and type of y is float. Okay. So this is what type function does. Now let us take some strings. Say z is equal to Neelam, which is the first name, and d is equal to Kumari, which is the last name. Okay. So in case you want to see both these names together, then you can concatenate z and d by using plus. Okay. So you can see z will print Neelam and the space will print one space and d will print Kumari. So it is giving the output like that. And let us check the type of z. You can see it is str, that means string. Okay, now you can also use type function like this. Suppose in parameter you wrote just data like Neelam, so it will tell the type of Neelam is str. Okay, so this is how you can work with variables and type function, and also you can concatenate strings by plus. Suppose you want to display some variable in a single line, then you can separate them just by a comma and it is returning a list format, sorry, a tuple format. Okay, and when we use print function, print xyz, then it is printing in a regular format. Okay, so this is how you can use print function in the shell and how you can use without using a print function. Okay, so now you can see the z is holding Neelam and d is holding Kumari above. So we can also concatenate z and d just by a comma. Okay, so you can see it is returning in a tuple format because we didn't use print function. When we use print function, then what will happen? Let us check. Just write print and inside z comma d. Okay, so z will print Neelam and d will print Kumari and comma automatically takes one space. So this is how you can work with strings and how you can concatenate strings using plus and comma. Okay, so let us take one more example. Say 23 plus 0. Oh shit, you can see it generated error because I wrote OJ instead of 0J. So the shell is full. So close it and reopen it. Okay. Wait, I am reopening. And yes, opened. Okay. So let us take one complex number. Say C is equal to 4 plus 3J. Okay. Now print the C. Yes. And it is showing the output. So this is how you can use the variables, and this is the concept of variables. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. And to keep learning Python with us, stay connected with our channel. Thank you.